Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris and this is Restoration Rescue. So last week's video, as you saw, we put in the e-brake. Now if you missed it, go back and check that out and come right back here. So we didn't have all the parts show up for the exhaust as like I wanted to this week to finish that out and pretty much wrap that up. So we're still waiting on the mufflers to arrive. They are supposed to be here now Monday. So that'll be a cool little thing to have for this truck so I can at least drive it consistently because it is super loud. Now I drove it around a little bit this week just to see how it ran. Also off camera, I changed the thermostat. So we were running a 195 thermostat, so I've decided to run a 160. Now I know I'm going to get a lot of flack for that. A lot of people say, nah, that's too cold, don't worry about it. Run the 190, 180, but whatever, I went with the 160, and that's what we're going to be with for now. This truck is not meant for racing, it's a cruiser, but I wanted to make sure the engine stays cool because I do not want any overheating problems. Like, the light keeps going off, and I think I need a new sensor. That's okay, not a big deal. The engine is cool, the engine is running great. But today we were supposed to put the exhaust on and go for a ride. But as you can see, it's raining right now. It's supposed to clear up later this afternoon, so we might take it out for a ride, but we do have a lot of work to do. What we're going to do today instead is clean this thing and make it look amazing. Now, it sat outside for a couple days after the event, got a little dirty, so we're going to go ahead and clean her up. We are going to cut and buff this thing as well, make the paint look absolutely incredible. We're going to start right here on the hood and work our way around the truck to make this thing look perfect. I want this thing to shine at C10 Nationals and look amazing for you guys and for myself because I just love the way this thing looks. It came out absolutely incredible. The paint is a little dull, but that's okay. We're going to polish up this clear, make it look really good. I want it to almost look like a show car, even though it's going to be more of a daily kind of truck. Not daily driving it, but I'm not going to be afraid to drive it. That's what we're trying to do. So first things first, we are going to get our bottle of cleaner. Now, this is called waterless car wash. And the reason I'm going to use this instead of going outside is, again, it is raining. So you can't really wash it outside. So we're going to spray this thing down. We are going to clean it and wipe it down and make this thing look amazing. So that's going to be the first step. We're going to start right here and just start spraying. All right, so this thing looks a whole lot better. It is now wiped down. It is looking a lot cleaner than it did 5 minutes ago. Before we started that, it didn't take a long time. Just a couple sprays and just start wiping. Now this thing is dry and ready to start getting polished. Now I have two heads for this thing. We are going to start right here on the hood and just start polishing away and just to give it a nice little shine. So we have three different levels of polish. So we have one that is just a light cut or a heavy cut, then a light cut, and then a show polish. So we're just going to go through the steps and get these all three done. Like I said, we're going to start here on the hood and just start making this thing shine. All right, so we did the hood from pretty much the center over. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this thing looks even better than it did when I started. Um, I could see everything on this thing. We just need to clean it one more time. Once we're done, this thing is going to look incredible. So now what we're going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of the truck. I'm going to try and get you guys with an overhead shot of doing the whole thing. It is going to take me a couple hours. That took me probably about an hour itself. But this thing came out incredible. I am so happy. I did all the way to the door. This panel is looking good. Everything is looking good. A lot of stuff, a lot of hard work is going to go into this. But let's go ahead and continue cleaning this thing off. Looks like the rain is starting to hold off as well. So we might be able to get it out for a ride and show you guys how beautiful this thing runs. So that thing came out absolutely incredible. It looks awesome and it smells awesome too. This polish just, ooh, it smells good. The cleaner smells good. This thing doesn't just look good, it smells good too. Now, we have gotten everything that we need to do done. We have it cleared. We have it polished with the 3 levels of polish, and we have taken it back. Now, we're going to let it dry. We're going to let it sit. We are going to wash it later, probably off camera. But what we're going to do now is it is kind of cleared up. It's still a little bit cloudy outside, but I think I want to go take her for a ride. I do need to get some gas in her, so we might slide over to the gas station first, get some gas in this thing, because I did put quite a few miles on it last week and got that thing set up. This is absolutely incredible where we're at. Every time I think about it, 4 years ago when this thing was sitting right here in nothing but rust, that it's now this. So just over 4 years ago, it got dropped off, and now it's here, and it runs, it drives, it looks absolutely incredible. I'm so excited. Everything works on the truck, minus the speedometer, which we're still trying to figure that issue out. It might be internal in the transmission when I built that a long time ago. But we have made this thing look amazing throughout the years. Now, it's not perfect. I'd say this every time. No, it's not perfect, but it has been a blast building this thing. I can't wait to drive it consistently and just have fun with it. So what we're going to do now is move some cars around and get this thing out and get her on the road. So we just took this thing probably on about an hour and 20-minute stretch of driving. This thing ran absolutely unreal. We had such a blast driving around. We went through the city. We went all the way to the west part of the county I live in, which is quite a cruise. So we rode all the way through the city and all the way out into the West End and then back through the city or back through the county all the way home. And this thing just ran perfectly. I am so excited for this truck to go to C10 Nationals. I think it is almost 100% ready. We need to finish out the exhaust, but that is about it. We are really, really closing in on the completion of the C10. It has absolutely been a blast building this thing. The amount of comments, the amount of things that happened. On the drive, I stopped and got gas. Someone from Moscow, Russia was there and talking to me about the truck and how cool it was and how awesome it was. I told him what I did, and he was just amazed that I had never picked up really anything and then just built this truck. Now, again, it's not perfect, but this thing is mine, and that's the coolest part of this thing. This truck is 100% mine, and I love it. This thing runs great. It sounds great. Need to get the exhaust on there because it is quite loud, but this thing runs like a top. It drove perfectly through the city, and it drove absolutely amazing. I do have really, really strong left leg now because that clutch is tough. So it might affect my hockey game. I might be in the corner after I T-slide and try to go to the post, but this thing is absolutely unreal of a vehicle. I can't believe that we've done this. And I just want to go back and thank, you guys. I want to thank all of my supporters, from my parents, Uncle Al, my biggest fan, to all my friends and family who have helped through the way. Uncle Al, I got to say thank you. I think I need another $1. So what's the next bet? But that is going to be a wrap for today's video. We're going to go ahead and drive home and put this thing away and put it to sleep. And we'll see you guys next Saturday when we try and finish out the exhaust and just make this thing sound even better and just drive and cruise and enjoy this thing. We need to figure out what's going on with the speedometer. That's the only thing currently that is not working on this truck, but everything else is, which is incredible to think how far we've come and that everything works. But that is going to be a wrap for this week's video. We'll see you guys next Saturday when we continue working on the truck. We'll see you then.